Alrighty, we're here for the final day of the remodel. Let's see how the guys are holding them today.
Pipe up a little bit.
This one?
Yeah. You're not in? So it's 11.5 from the edge of the tub, but I don't know how much space we're gonna have in the back of the tub either.
You have to cook it perfectly.
Gross.
So weird being recorded here.
You're the people's favorite person. What do you have to say?
Girl non-sponsored.
They found the brass cap, and the guys went to Home Depot to go get another part, but turns out they didn't look inside the bag enough. And now, the cap is on.
What is this? What is this? Why did y'all not tell me? It comes up, it's gonna tie up into there, and this is gonna feed the tub right there, and then it's also gonna feed this going out to that hose bib, that's this new lavatory, and this is getting deleted.
Dude.
No world. Bellowing out, and then once it all actually gets out, I'll be able to open it up and solder on a new connection.
Just for the sake of kids. Some estimates for Buffalo small astounding 30,000, along with thousands of deer, elk, and constantly drop one after another. So much so that an Indian agent complained to the government, but unfortunately no action was taken.
Now, essentially, we have what we need for this mission. We have our little suit. Alrighty, guys. Blue suit is on. Alrighty, guys. See you down in there.
Half of that 3.5 feet. All right.